Sunday morning sunshine, golden on the sea. A gentle breeze is blowing, everything feels free. The week is finally behind us, the stress begins to fade. Today is for the memories and the love we've made.
Coffee on the balcony, watching clouds roll by.
Thankful for the blessings underneath the sky. Take it slow, feel the light. Everything feels right.
Blessed Sunday,
good vibes all around.
smiles and laughter,
Beautiful sounds.
blessed Sunday.
Let your worries go.
Feel the love and happiness.
Let your spirit flow.
World boss, Sunday have a different feeling. Peace inside my soul. Family and good friends make me feel whole. No rush, no pressure, just gratitude today. Enjoying every moment in a simple way. Every blessing count, every smile worth gold. Life too precious for you always move cold.
The children laughing softly, the music in the air. The beauty of togetherness is everywhere. Sometimes the smallest moments become the biggest treasure. And Sundays remind us to appreciate forever.
One love,
One love,
one life,
one life,
one life.
one life.
Let's celebrate the blessings we've been given today.
Blessed Sunday, good vibes all around. Smiles and laughter, beautiful sounds. Blessed Sunday, let your worries go.
Feel the love and happiness.
Let your spirit flow. Blessed Sunday, under Caribbean skies. Blessed Sunday, where every dream can rise.
Yeah. Sunday morning sunshine, golden on the sea.
A gentle breeze is blowing, everything feels free.
The week is finally behind us.
The stress begins to fade,
Today's for the memories.
and the love we've made. Coffee on the balcony,
Watching clouds roll by.
thankful for the blessings
Underneath the sky.
Take it slow, feel the light, everything feels right.
Blessed
Sunday, good vibes all around.
smiles and laughter.
Beautiful sounds.
Blessed Sunday.
Let your worries go.
Feel the love and happiness.
Let your spirit flow.
World boss, Sunday have a different feeling. Peace inside my soul. Family and good friends make me feel whole. No rush, no pressure, just gratitude today. Enjoying every moment in a simple way. Every blessing count, every smile worth gold. Life too precious for you always move cold.
The children laughing softly, the music in the air. The beauty of togetherness is everywhere. Sometimes the smallest moments become the biggest treasure.